When it comes to selling stuff by becoming an affiliate, there are two options available. Number one, you can sell products and services you believe in with the primary intent to help people fix their problems. And we have number two, you can sell cheap products from China with the primary intent of making money without concern for the final customer. Now, I can definitely say that both these options work, but it all depends on who you are, your values, your beliefs, and what you want to achieve in your life. But they involve different ways of thinking when you approach affiliate marketing. And in this video, I want to share my perspective regarding these two options to sell affiliate products, the pros and cons, and what you should do to make a profitable affiliate business. Let's start with option number one, my preferred method, and honestly, the only option I decided to pursue when it comes to selling affiliate products or services. Option number one. Sell affiliate stuff you believe in. I firmly believe that everyone in this world who wants to create a profitable and long-term business should focus on selling stuff with the primary intent of satisfying people's desires for two main reasons. Option number one, if you really believe in something, you will be more willing even to put your face in front of your audience, and I can assure that selling stuff will be easier and quicker. Option number two, today people buy people first. Let me repeat this concept once again. Today people buy your persona first, and then they buy your products and services or the stuff you are presenting to them. With that being said, affiliate marketing is a great business to pursue if you treat it like a business, not a game. So I want to share with you 5 simple steps that I would follow if my primary intent were to create an affiliate-based business by selling stuff I believe in. Step number 1. Choose your category, your niche. You should not sell anything to anyone. Even if you are selling products of other people, professionals or business owners, you must choose your competency niche. If you are for everyone, you are for nobody. Step number 2. Create your personal brand. Even if you sell other people's products or services, you should focus your energies on creating your personal brand. As I told you minutes ago, people fall in love with you first and then they buy what you offer to them. Step number 3. Focus on high-ticket products or services. Don't spend your energies selling low-ticket stuff. Since you will receive a commission based on how many sales you produce, focus your attention on selling high-ticket products or services. Step number 4. Sharing content on social media. This is a great way both to leverage organic traffic and create your online social presence. Keep in mind that when you have a following, you can even start creating your products and services because I can guarantee you 100% that people will ask you to help them. Step number 5. Create your email list. This is very important. Email list represents the traffic you possess, so no one can ban you or stop you from communicating with your subscribers, giving them value and selling them stuff, period. If you want to create a scalable and very profitable business in the coming years, the affiliate business model I have just described is perfect for you. On the flip side, let me share with you the other path to creating an affiliate-based business, something I don't like at all, but I have many colleagues that are pursuing this strategy successfully. Option number 2. Selling shit products from China. The headline of this second method tells you everything. In this case, you're only focused on making money, without thinking too much about your customer satisfaction. Regardless of your values or who you are, the business model to sell low-cost products to people is going to die because it will no longer be sustainable due to advertising costs. In addition, the profit margins are shallow, and you are subject to being banned even once a week from the advertising platforms. It means to restart your paid ads from scratch with a new account, and I can assure you it is very frustrating. I know 3 people that are pursuing this strategy, and they told me everything I needed to know. Obviously, by selling cheap products or services, you have to sell high-volume stuff and you need cash flow to sustain your business. In addition, you have to constantly change and test new products because the lifespan of what you sell is very short. And with this second affiliate business model, you have to know that you are not building anything. The moment you stop using paid traffic, you stop selling, you stop making money. And I can assure you that making profits with low-ticket products today, 2023, is not easy. Plus, pay very close attention to people who advertise this business model because they usually tell you their monthly income without saying anything about expenses, so keep it in mind. With that being said, regardless of the affiliate business model you decide to pursue, you need the right digital marketing skills to sell products and services. If you start from scratch and you don't have any digital marketing skill, I want to let you know that I'm releasing a special program, probably February 2023, in which I teach you the most important skills to turn any information into even a 7-figure business, and you can use the same skills to sell affiliate products or services. Check the link in the description below. Plus, I highly recommend you to learn how to start a business online with no money in 2023. Starting a business online without money in 2023 requires the right mindset and awareness, plus some evergreen skills that you can't avoid learning. This video clarifies everything you need to know, so watch it now.